Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are headed to the Aloe store to take a look at some of the latest pieces in the navy collection. Now navy is a limited color, so if you do like any of these styles, be sure to pick some up. I do think that this navy color is the perfect bridge color between the summer and the beautiful fall weather. So we are going to check some of this out today. Now we focused our try on two looks today. First we tried the Aloe Soft Courtside Tennis dress in navy, and then we also tried on the ribbed Seacoast tee, which I do already own, with the suit up trouser in the regular 30-inch length. Now I have tried this tennis dress on before in a kind of burnt purple color, if that makes sense, and it is posted on the Fashion Try-On, so if you do like that colorway or are interested in a light colorway, be sure to check that out. It's always nice to see some of these cuts in a few different colors. Now I did try this on in a size small, which I believe is the same size that I tried on previously, and I thought it fit really nicely. I wouldn't want it to be much tighter than this, and I thought it gave me a lot of kind of movability so that if I did want to use this for tennis, it would feel really good. Next up, and what I think is the star of the show, are these suit up trousers. Now, I never thought I would try these on, and I honestly just tried them on to show you what they looked like and do a quick little review, but I ended up absolutely loving the whole vibe. The only thing is I don't really know where to wear these. If you know, or if you have them, let me know where you wear them in the comments below, and be sure to leave a navy colored emoji. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.